Hello. Good morning class 8. Today I am going to take your English language class. So the English first lesson is The Boy Who Broke the Bank. English first lesson is The Boy Who Broke the Bank. First of all, we'll know about the author of the lesson, Ruskin Bond. He is an Indian author. He wrote one of his first short story. So Ruskin Bond, he is an Indian author. He wrote one of his first short story, Untouchable. First short story, Untouchable, at the age of 16 in 1951. He wrote the first novel, The Room on the Roof, in 1956 when he was 17, and he has not stopped now. So, I hope you all are clear about the author. The Boy Who Broke the Bank is an interesting story written by the Ruskin Bond. Now, first of all, I am going to introduce the characters of this story. There is a boy named Nathu. He is a sweeper boy. Nathu. Second is Seth Govindram, owner of the bank. Sitaram, the third character, Sitaram, the washerman's son. So we are going to start this story related with a boy Nathu about his irregular payment by his master. Master is the owner of the bank. It gradually takes the shape, the rumor, the results collapse the bank. So the Nathu is not getting his payment on time. So this is the rumor. In the end, Nathu is whole soul the responsible for his rumor, wonders about this incident. So this story goes like this. So I hope you are ready to understand this story. Seth Govindram owns a bank. Seth Govindram, owner of the bank at the town. The bank is financially very sound and has one's trust on the depositor. The bank is very sound and they are trust on the depositor. Trust means faith. Trust means faith. Who are the depositor? The person who has an account there in the bank. Who is the depositor? The person who has an account there in the bank. They are the depositor. Nathu is the sweeper in the bank. Nathu is the sweeper in the bank. Who is sweeper? Sweeper, they are cleaning floor. They are cleaning the places. One day, while sweeping in the bank, he grumbled about the irregular payment about his salary, as he doesn't get his salary on time. Sitaram, the washerman's son, come to know about the Nathu's complaint, Nathu's problem. In his loose talk, he conveys this to his customer, Mrs. Shrivastava. Sitaram says that the bank doesn't have money to pay his employees. Mrs. Shrivastava misunderstands Sitaram's statement. Mrs. Shrivastava misunderstands Sitaram's statement. She believes that the bank about to collapse. Collapse means the shutdown due to poor financial condition. This rumor spreaded out to the town. The customers in shock demand their money back. So this was the rumor only that bank has no money and they can't pay their employees. So this was the rumor. They started stoning the bank building and even break the glasses. The next day, when the Nathu goes the bank for his duty, what was the Nathu's duty? His duty to sweep the floor. He finds lots of broken glasses and stones on the floor of the bank. What the Nathus find? Lots of broken glasses and stones on the floor of the bank. He shocked to see He shocked to see that condition. And again he starts grumbling and he's full of anger. Why? Because Natu was not getting the payment on time. Bank is not paying money and after they are taking extra duties. Natu was thinking bank is not paying money and they are taking extra duties by him. This whole episode was the mystery for Nathu because he didn't know about the incident. The whole episode was the mystery for Nathu and the story ends here. This story basically about how rumors and lack of communications can cause of many problems. So I hope you all are enjoyed this story and you read at home it carefully. So we'll continue this lesson in the next class. Thank you.